All right. As I said, there are two types of databases, NoSQL and SQL. There are multiple NoSQL databases. There are multiple SQL databases. One NoSQL database is MongoDB. Before next week, try to get yourself a free cloud MongoDB instance. The way to do that is go to mongodb.com or something like that, whatever is the official URL, mongodb.com. Once you're here, try free, sign up, sign in, whatever that is. After you're done signing up, they will not ask you for any credit card information, I think. No, I'm sure. You will reach a page like this. It lets you create your own database. So feel free to pause here and sign up. Once you sign up, you will reach this page. Click on build a database. Select M0, which I think stands for the free one for learning and exploring MongoDB in a cloud environment. So just select M0, which is the free one. Select either one of these. AWS is fine. Select whatever region you want. Bahrain is fine. Name it whatever you want. Cluster 0 is fine. And then click on create. Select username and password here. Write whatever username you want. Admin is fine. Auto generate a secure password, or if you want to create your own, that is fine as well. Like I'll create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. And just click on create user. The password is too weak. Oh my God. Okay, let's create a auto generated secure password, and I'll also copy it. Create user. And here, put this 0.0.0.0/0 everywhere. Make sure you have put this, else you will face issues next week. Add entries to your IP access list, put 0.0.0/0 and everywhere here. This basically means your database can be accessed from everywhere. As you can see, it says add my current IP. You can say that you only want your database to be accessible from your machine, but your IP can change very often. So you'll suddenly see you cannot connect to your MongoDB instance. For that reason, make sure you selected this and then added it 0.0.0 everywhere. Add entry. There it is. And now click on finish and close. Once this is done, you should see a cluster 0 database here. Now click on connect. And click on Compass here. Click on I don't have Compass installed locally and download it. This is basically a GUI that lets you visualize your MongoDB database, which is super helpful when debugging. So make sure you installed MongoDB Compass locally and open it up. Install. There we go. DB Compass. Open. While it opens, as you can see, it says copy this URL. This is your final URL that you need to connect to your MongoDB instance. You have created one in AWS in Bahrain or whatever region you selected. It's a very small one, which is why it's free. This is the URL you need to connect to it. Similar to, HTTP servers. When you create an HTTP server, you can get a URL that you can send to your friend. Similarly, this is a URL for your MongoDB instance. Only thing is you need to replace username and password. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to MongoDB Compass. I now have to paste my URL here and replace username with my username that I had, which I totally forgot. I think it was admin. And password that I selected was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. If I click on connect, bad authentication. I think my password was something else. Let's see. Users. Project. This is super complicated MongoDB. Databases. So there's an easy way to see what your username and password is. database access. Admin has retry database access. This was admin. What was the password? Let's see. Edit. I had an auto-generated password. Suddenly I remember. Edit password, auto-generate a new password, copy, and update user. Now that I've auto-generated a new password, I'm going to paste that here and connect. And it still says there's a problem. Admin : auto-generated password, add cluster name, MongoDB. This looks right. Retry database at admin, all resources. Go back to database, connect, compass, username : password at this. Password is the new auto-generate password. Username is admin. Try one more time. Yeah, the password hadn't propagated yet. Okay, cool. If you reach this page, you are sorted. You have your MongoDB URL ready. Make sure before next week you have that very long URL handy. Which one? For me, it was, how do I exit from here? Copy connection string. For me, it was this long string right here. For you, it will be something else. It will be your username, your password, and your cluster name. Make sure you have this string handy before next week.